Good morning, Pinewood, and welcome to another fabulous day of learning at the greatest school in all of Minnesota and probably in the nation and the world, Pinewood Elementary. So today is Wednesday, September 30th, and I can't believe this, but it's already the end of September. That means we've made it through our first month of school. Where did the time go? It feels like we just started, at least for me. I don't know if it feels that way for you. We've got a birthday to celebrate today, and that birthday is Isaiah, who is in the 3rd grade in Miss Mears' class. So happy birthday to you. I hope you're able to celebrate and do something fun. Today, like I said, is the last day of September. And I don't know if you know this, but every day, pretty much every day of this whole year has a different holiday on it. And they're smaller holidays. They're not like big holidays that you might celebrate or think of when you hear the word holiday. They're smaller ones. And so the one that we have today is actually called National Love People Day. And I thought this was a great one to talk about because it ties into what we try to be as Pinewood Pandas. So we are caring, we are safe, and we are problem solvers. But when we take time to let somebody know that we love them, then we are showing them that we care about them. So I want you to think, what is something you could do today to show somebody that you love them? Think about all the people in your life. So people in your family, people maybe at school, people who might live in your neighborhood, or some of your extended family who doesn't live in your house maybe, or maybe they do live in your house. Every family is different. Think about people in your life and in your world that mean something to you, that are really special to you, that you care a lot about and that you love. And think about some way that you could show them today that you love them. So maybe that's doing something really nice to them. Giving them a gift. A gift doesn't always have to be something that you buy at the store. A gift can be something that you do for somebody to show them that you care. So maybe it's at home helping tonight with cleaning up from dinner or setting the table or helping clean up the house or cleaning up your room, doing some dishes or something along those lines. Maybe if it's somebody at school, it's taking the time just to let them know that you care about them and just telling them, I really value you in my life and I care a lot about you. Maybe it's taking a few minutes to write a card for somebody to just brighten their day and make them feel special today so that they know that they matter and that you see them and you see their value. So think about all the people that you care about and all the people that you love, and think about something you can do today. It doesn't need to be a great big thing. It can be as small as just saying, I love you, to let them know that you care about them and that you love them. Okay? Let's go and make this last day of September an awesome day, and we'll see you next time. Take care, Pinewood.